So, end of the day right now. I kind of didn't do an intro, so really quick. This is just a full-length video, uncut, of basically me surprising my dad with a BIMMER that I got him. He used to have a red, like a 318i when me and my sister were really young. He used to whip it everywhere. Black leather, sunroof, manual crank, and everything. And he loved it. And being a military family, we moved every 3-4 years. So he had it every state we went to. And then we got here to Vegas. And it was just a lot of miles, a lot of repairs to get done, and didn't have the time. So he sold it, or he donated it. So this is kind of just a backstory to me always telling him that I would get him back into a BIMMER. And now that I'm in a career, a stable career, I was able to save up and get him one. So this is kind of just a backstory to that. It's a 325i XI, so it's all-wheel drive, 2006. Has 127 on the clock, but it's nice. 6-speed manual, leather interior, sunroof, all that. So that's cool. A couple repairs need to get done, but it's nothing too major. And then if you check out my IG story or follow me on IG, you'll see pictures of it. And then I also did a couple little small repairs myself on it's called like Dad Surprise on my story profile. Anyways, here's the uncut, or at least cut a little bit, but less cut than like IG would, video of the surprise in. Peace. The surprise has begun. Ignore the dirty garage. They're gonna go distract Pops and then see if we can pull up the BIMMER real quick. Should be dope.
Go help you there. Thanks, Jim. All right. Thank you for the closing.
Enter a brand new car. You're in the BIMMER world now. What's up? You are back in the BIMMER world.
Who caused this?
Yours now, sir.
What you mean mine now?
You used to have a BIMMER, so I you know, was stacking some cash to get you a BIMMER and fix it up for you.
No, you did not.
Yes, I did.
Wait a minute. Let me get this straight.
Yeah.
How did this car get up here?
Some finessing magic.
I'm not getting this, man. I'm not getting this. I'm not getting this. Who car is this?
It's yours. It's registered now and it's yours. It's thick. Just how you kind of like it, man.
Tell me.
Yes, sir.
You gotta be kidding me, right? Chitty, you tell me the truth.
No, that's yours.
That's yours. You know, he had a BIMMER and he sold it when we got here. So
Tell me.
back in the game, sir.
You gotta be kidding me, Tim.
Oh, you gotta sit down.
You gotta sit down. It's a lot to take in.
You gotta sit down. You don't know it's real right now.
You gotta be kidding me, right? You've gotta be kidding me.
April Fools!
Okay.
We're taking the car back, April Fools!
Okay, I could've
No,
said you
no,
gotta
no,
be
no,
kidding.
no, I'm not. I'm just, it's not April yet. Push to start. 6-speed. Needs a little work, but I did some work already on it, so it's drivable now. Sunroof works. Back regulator is the only thing. Well, we can get into that later, but yeah.
Son, you gotta be kidding me,
No,
right?
it's real. It's real out here.
I'm speechless. If this is for real,
It's for real. It's real. It's real. I got it maybe like 2 weeks ago, and I've been trying to fix it up little by little.
Justin knew. Yep.
That just means you gotta teach me how to drive stick now.
So put it in this rectangle port right here. Okay. It's in gear already, so they gotta add a gear like a regular car. Yep. And then clutch in and push the start-stop button. He back at it. Okay, reverse. You remember? Wait, hold on. Are you sure that's reverse? I mean, I guess so. Yeah, you got me though. Watch it turning. Damn.
Wait, he's not gonna take us?
Yeah, he left me just like that. What the hell, man? What the April Fool? Get my car back. He just left her. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. That's cool.
That's awesome.
That's cool.
That's awesome. Oh wow. Didn't take me with him.
He ain't taking nobody with him. He's gone.
Yeah, I think he's not coming back.
I don't know. I don't think so. Oh Lord, what did I do? What did I do?
Oh, he gonna be driving now.
Right. That's good. I mean, it's basically it's ready to drive. So.
Here.
Title, Swaggy. Yes.
Oh, you're in trouble.
Yeah.
We're in trouble here, huh, Justin?
This is too funny. This is too funny.
I am freaking speechless. What a freaking gift. This mine.
That's yours.
How many times you gonna read
Yeah,
it?
he just gotta make sure it's his. I feel it. I feel it. He gonna sit back down.
He's gonna sit back down.
You don't.
Waiting to pass out. And you literally
Ladies and
left
gentlemen.
us.
That-
No test driving and you just
That
left
just brought
us.
back so many memories.
Oh, I
I
bet.
don't know what. You see how smooth that is?
No, we didn't. You left us.
Yeah.
Absolutely
Yeah.
left us.
Good. I'm glad. Yes, sir.
He said he promised me he'd buy me a beanie.
I did.
He promised he kept it to his word, man.
I swear by that.
Holy cow, son.
I swear by
Holy
that.
cow.
Yeah.
Damn, you didn't have to do this.
Yes, I did actually.
How about the money, son? How about the money?
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. I'm in a
Is
career
that,
now.
Is that my car?
That's your car.
What is it doing?
Got it retitled and everything.
What you?
It's yours, sir. It's yours.
Do I gotta add it to the? I'm gonna have to add it to the insurance.
Already done.
tonight.
Already done.
What you mean?
Already done. Don't worry about it. We can talk about that in a second. But yeah, it's
I can drive to work.
yeah.
Son, you gotta be kidding me. They gonna say, who the hell is that?
We got a BIMMER on a lot. Somebody made a
Well, the IT guy got one too.
Oh, for real?
So and I said, yeah, I used to have a BIMMER, man. I said, yeah, it was cheap.
So
So I drive up and he said, what the?
yeah, matching to 325 XI. So it's an all-wheel drive. 2006.
I didn't even see that. You said the tools. I said, you need help. He only got a saw.
Yeah,
He needed help.
it's in the trunk. By the way, I did bring those. I brought those too.
So I said,
brought your
he
tools
must have
back.
took my tool box.
No, I got your tools in the trunk too. They're there too. I love you too, Dad.
Did your sister know about this?
Yeah, her and Jay, and then I told Jay, and then Latoya, and then Mom.
So I guess, Justin, you can learn how to drive a stick
Yeah.
now.
Privilege.
After you finish learning how to drive that.
Yes.
That means your dad isn't gonna let you touch that.
Right.
Give me 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Give me 2 weeks.
I don't know how to act,
Drive me
man.
a movie.
I don't know how to act.
You do know how to act. You left us.
You want to take a ride?
Back
Come
in
on.
them youth
Come on.
days.
You like
Who going?
drove and left us.
Back
all
in
of
the youth
us.
days.
Okay, I'm gonna go take a ride.
When I came into your house for the barbecue, you knew this already?
Oh, it was in the garage.
It was in the garage. I took him to go see it. It was in the garage. We were still kind of working.
Yeah,
on
good thing
it.
we didn't give you a tour of the house.
Yeah.
That would have been awkward.
And that's the garage, so don't go in there because it's dirty as heck.
It's been a while. It's been a while since I had a Beamer, man. It's been a little bit. All right. Holy shit, moly. Holy shit.
Now, Mom, you're up front? Yeah. Okay, now. You gotta unbuckle first. Now, this is gonna be a little
Okay. Ooh, it's hot.
Yes.
I remember
There's
the
another.
leather.
You remember that?
Woohoo! Yes.
Are you guys coming in or no?
No, you go.
You come on.
See my
Shelly
ball.
know how to drive a stick, don't you?
Sensor.
You know how to drive a stick? Shelly?
No, I mean, maybe.
It depends if it's an emergency situation.
We'll go over it later, but watch your right turns because the steering knuckle, but we'll go over it later. Don't worry.
All right. Hey, it feel fine to me? Yeah. See, you take it out of gear first.
Oh my gosh, he's giving me lessons already.
Look how smooth he got it into reverse. When I first got in this car, I couldn't put it in reverse for
'Cause
nothing. He
Beamers
said
was thick.
2
Yeah,
hands,
it's thick,
and I
yeah.
needed to put. I took my leg and
Yeah, it's
pushed it in
thick.
reverse.
Oh my gosh.
They thick. They thick. It's thick. The BMWs are tighter.
Alright.
Oh, I wasn't in the group. It's in the knuckle. I got you. I know I see it.
Wow.
Beautiful. Man.
Ooh, smooth.
Alright, so.
Uh-huh. What is what?
I get it. It's one of them digital ones.
Uh-huh. As opposed to your old,
You,
old one.
yeah, because you push it and it go into the gear other than that. I get it. Make sure I can back off now.
Nice. Oh, wow. So you didn't forget, huh?
She learned like a bicycle almost.
Wow.
Second gear.
Look at your smiling face.
Father, this guy got a beat. This guy done bought a Beamer. First ride. Oh wow.
Which gear are you? Third?
Third. Fourth.
Four?
And then of course, I
Five?
need a little bit more speed. Yeah, I should get enough more speed on
On five?
5. Yeah, speed go on 5.
Oh, wow.
Holy
Look at
shit,
all
man.
this.
I'm telling you. I don't know what to say, man. I don't know what to say. This is crazy. This is just crazy.
Yeah, nice.
And I got
Nice.
Violet. I don't know what to say. But I'm gonna get you for not telling me.
I'm pointing at Jelly. I had nothing to do with it. All the kids. Run smooth. And you're in second?
Yep.
Third? Okay. Then fourth?
Yep. I want to take it on the freeway.
Then it'll be the fifth. Okay. Wow.
I don't know what to say. I don't know how to act. This is just dreams. Thought I'd never have a Beamer again.
Now you do. They made it happen. go somewhere and then come out.
I'm gonna say
Into the what? First?
0. I'm in neutral.
Okay. Third.
Whoa. Oh, okay.
That was good. We got him stalling. All right, he's stalling the first
stall.
time.
Okay. This baby got some power too. Some power. Yeah.
So are you gonna take it to work?
I know you didn't ask me that. Of course.
There you go. I mean, everything looks like pretty new, huh?
Freaking nice. Are you kidding me? You kidding me? Sunroof and all that too? You gotta
I
be
didn't
kidding
even
me.
see that.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Oh
You gotta
wow.
be kidding me.
Very nice. Spoiled. 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 It looks really smooth.
Holy cow.
Guess you're done mowing the lawn now, huh?
I gotta finish up, but daggone tonight I gotta take mom up in this tonight, man. Go out to see find your place.
Oh, he's gonna take grandma out for a ride on this.
Freaking nice.
Wow. Here we go.
Unbelievable. Unbelievable. I'm in shock. The body's in shock.
You're still in shock.
The body's in shock. Oh no.
Whoa, what was that?
Third gear. Third gear trying to come up. Yeah. It's coming back.
So what you do, push it, and then push it in, and it'll pop out. So anytime you wanna, what's that?
That's me.